Hello everyone, welcome to ScholarHat. My name is Shailen Chauhan. I'm the founder and CEO of ScholarHat. In this video, I will tell you about the ScholarHat self-paced course membership. So here we are offering the three membership plan. The first one is here basic membership plan. Second one is a plus membership plan. And the third one is here the pro membership plan. In the basic membership plan, you will get the access to the video-based courses along with the practice test. So when it is coming to check your learning progress, for that purpose we have designed the practice test. And when it is coming to learning from the interactive video, so we having their interactive video based courses. Along with the interactive video based courses, we having the course learning checks as well. If let's say you have started a video and after the 2 minutes you have left the lesson over there, so when you will come back it automatically resume from the same place. So this is the course learning checks. Even when you will complete that lesson, it will automatically get completed. So it will help you what you have learned already, what you are going to learn right now. So that is the learning checks we have. Next one we have being the lesson bookmark. So during learning a course, if you find out you need to just bookmark some lessons for the further use, so you can bookmark those lessons. We having the exercise files and presentation, whatever we have used in this video lecture. So you can download the code, you can download the PPT also. And of course, we will update the codes on the regular basis. So whenever we will have any update in a technology, we update the things. And of course, you will get the certificate of this training program. So these are the features are available in the basic membership. Apart from this, you are going to get the email support and you will get a chance to join the career coaching session. So career coaching session you can join from the ScholarHat dashboard. You have to just log in there and go to the schedule section, and from there you can download the career coaching session every Friday. So here we having the live schedule section, and from the live schedule section you will find out the career coaching session on every Friday 9 p.m. IST that you can join. So these features are available in the basic membership plan. If you will go to the plus membership, in the plus membership we having the hands-on labs as well. So in the hands-on lab, you will get the assignment to practice your learning, because without doing the assignment, the learning is incomplete. So what are the codes you will access? You will get access to all the courses available in the each membership plan. So whether it's a basic, whether it's a plus, whether it's a pro, but when you will come to a particular course, let's say if we're going to the ASP.NET Core course, so we having these video course. So this video course actually you will get in the basic membership. Live lesson are not included in the self-paced membership. Live lesson are included in the live training membership. So in the plus membership you will get the hands-on lab. So you can see these are the labs are available, which you can refer here. So these will help you in the learning progress. So this will help you to build the confidence while doing the learning, because when you will do the things yourself, of course that learning will be permanent. You are able to recall the things. So if you're looking at any lab, so just look at it is showing you the lab problem, and we having the lab solution as well. So each lab solution is mentioned in the step-by-step way. You have to just go through it and build it. So this is the benefit you're getting in the self-paced plus membership. In the pro membership, we having the access to the real world projects and interview question answer. So if you will upgrade to the pro membership, so in the pro membership, these two extra things we have included. So if you will look at the training program, we having the projects that is included in the pro membership. So here we having a real world projects, how to build a food delivery application using the ASP.NET Core. That project you can refer each lessons one by one. At the same place we having the interview question answer. If you're preparing yourself for interview, and you will get to know how to give the question answer in the interview, how to prepare yourself. So you can refer this interview question answer section. So interview question answer and projects are included in pro membership. Hands-on labs are included in the plus membership. Video course and practice tests are included in basic membership. Live session are included in the live training membership, not inside the self-paced membership. I hope it will help you to decide which membership plan is suitable for you. So decide the membership plan as per your requirement and get the access to all the courses listed on scholarhat.com and keep learning. Thank you for watching this video.